You okay? Yeah. Called 911. We had to run all the way out of the canyon. He'll be okay. Yeah. We going to jail, guys. Hello, guys. Welcome to our channel. We're exploring. Ooh. We're hiking. There's JJ in the background. We're trying to find snow. And a cow skull. Yeah. So, stay with us. Let's go. Busy. We're almost to the cow skull.
That we were informed of.
Yeah.
By some other explorers. Seriously, look.
No, it's cool.
Imagine it's just be crushed.
Why
is there just a random cow skull here?
I don't know, but we found it, and it's still fuzzy.
That means an animal attacked it.
Or all these rocks just fell on it.
It's the chupacabra.
Really, like move it with the rock.
So we can see the face. Ew!
Well, don't like seriously move it over so we can see the front.
Look, you can see the... Oh, that's not that bad.
That's sad. Look, it has a tag on it.
I know.
It belongs somewhere. Seriously though, why is there just a head, like no body?
I don't know.
Unless it went out with its herd. Because look, it has a tag on it. It belonged. There's like
Yeah.
But why would it be all the way up here?
It probably like fell down the mountain and cracked its neck.
Right there.
I don't know, but it stinks. That's why it stinks.
Okay, check your shoes, because one of you guys stepped
No, it's
into...
a rotting cow.
No, I think it's one street.
No,
Check them. Oh.
it's a rotting cow. Come on. I bet it's almost 5 though, is it?
I don't know.
I feel like we could do that.
I feel like it's gonna slip. Not to be a killjoy, but I'd rather not die today.
No, but like, look. It's like, I feel... It's like right there, look.
Should I
Okay.
hold this?
You're gonna attempt?
Yeah, I'm gonna attempt.
Here we go. Uh-oh. Daredevil over here.
I think it's easy, but like
Right
just
there,
the
boom,
chance
boom. That you're gonna take.
Because they're all like, ow, little ones after this one. Right here, they're all little and they're gonna fall. Yeah.
Try. Put your foot on that big one right there.
This?
Yes.
Yeah, let me just... I think we're out of luck.
Okay, I'm gonna try. And then JJ try. See how far each of us can make it. I'm probably gonna make it where you made
I
it.
made it right here.
Okay.
I'm doing that.
Okay, I can barely not make it up there.
I'll be able to make it up there.
Please be careful.
I'm scared. Yeah, I'm very scared. I ain't doing this.
See,
I
once...
want to so
Yeah, once you get up there, it's like all little ones.
Yeah.
You can't even go any further.
Yeah, we made it to the same spot.
Watch, I'm gonna make it past that.
I think you will too. Come behind me. I'm like really nervous. Okay, now JJ's turn. That little bug's like company.
Little stink bug followed you when you try to squish it. Oh my...
Not like I could do anything, but
Oh my gosh. We're all like making it to the same place. That's gonna fall. My...
I feel like I can't turn back now.
go.
No. Oh my god, I don't even want to watch
I
you
think
do this.
when you get up to that one, the the one you're on right now, your second foot, you could like go side to side like.
Oh my god. I can't even watch you.
JJ, put your foot out to the side. Do you know what I'm saying? JJ! You almost killed me! JJ, are you listening to what I'm saying?
I don't know what to do.
Look at me.
No, come down, come
No,
down.
look at-
No!
Put it like this.
I don't know what to do now.
Put your foot to the side on the dirt and just dig it in the dirt. Trust me. I'm expert at this.
This is my
Stupid. Yeah,
Put
come
your
down.
Foot side. Just you're almost there.
I can't.
That's how far down he is. Don't look down.
JJ,
Here's.
dig your right foot into that moist dirt.
Yeah, I don't see no moist
Look,
dirt.
right there, on the side.
See that? Put your foot to the right. Up, right there.
Like dig it
Right
in
there,
the
that
dirt.
rock.
Not that rock, but like the dirt over there.
That one's gonna fall. It's wiggling. Yeah. Don't put your foot on that one. Oh.
I think it'd be easier to go up now than come down, though. Honestly.
I'm not going up.
No, not us. Him.
Oh.
At this point, I think it'd be more dangerous to try to come down.
Well, yeah, because you put me up here.
No one put you up there. I told you to come down.
Honestly, though, like
Please
his
be
legs are
careful.
long enough to go side to side. Do you know what I'm saying?
I know, but I'm just scared. Oh.
Yeah, just go fast, where they start going. Good
Oh
job.
my god.
Keep going. He got it. Good job.
Nice.
Yay!
Keep going.
My turn? just
No.
kidding.
You're a klutz. You okay? Oh my. Good job.
Okay, now go more to the center and get away from the edge. We're gonna find a way around.
This whole video is just gonna be me going, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We're trying to find a way to get JJ down off the mountain now. Because he's all the way right there, kinda. And
AJ,
we're
look at me. There's like something up here, but
he's right there. Okay. We're going up a different way to see if we can get him
so
down.
what should we do?
I don't know.
Like, I want to go this way to see if we could like meet you up there, but go to the top and look. And we're gonna say JJ, and when you don't answer, then that's when there's a problem.
Don't jinx us. I don't know what to do. I don't know. I'm nervous.
I just want JJ to be with us before we go over there. Do you think you can make it down where you came?
No.
You think?
No, I
You
don't.
sit on his butt?
No, it's like literally vertical. Okay, let's go this way a little bit.
Hey, if there's a way up, there's a way down.
Yeah, there's got to be somewhere. Well, obviously, because we're not leaving him up here. So, Myklyn's up here. Say hi. JJ just climbed that thing right there. Now he is stuck up there, and he's climbing over this hill. And then he's going to climb down this way. So, we're really nervous for him. But he's gonna do okay. He just needs to get over that one little hump, this thing right here. That's what he's climbing over, not even, oh, never mind. I was gonna say right here, but right up there. This was a dumb idea. Myklyn's laughing at me. And now she's trying to climb up there. And I'm not about to go rescue both of them. So, wish us luck. We'll keep you updated. So, this trip has turned into a disaster. We're never going hiking again. JJ's stuck on a mountain. He's like...
way
not
up there.
Yeah, he's not on this
one.
one.
On their way, search and rescue.
Yeah, called 911. We had to run all the way out of the canyon. I found other hikers. Myklyn was still staying in there with JJ. I ran out, found other hikers, like got them for help. So they're with him right now. And they told us to run out, call 911 because they tried to get in and they couldn't. So now they're on their way and he's going to be fine. He's going to be fine. Yeah, we shouldn't have climbed it. We shouldn't have gone where it said no trespassing.
Yeah.
But he'll be okay.
Yeah.
We're just waiting for them now in the car and it's really cold. So, keep y'all updated.
Okay guys, we learned our lesson today. Do not go past a sign that says no trespassing, or else you'll get stuck in a mountain and have a helicopter come and get you down. So yes, we just waited in the freezing cold.
It's literally 35 degrees.
Yeah,
And we
in
sat out there
35
for
degree
hours.
weather and waited for the helicopter to come get him. So, but we're all safe, so it's all
we're
good and
getting
dandy.
food now because we're starving.
Yeah.
Blasting the heater